Alright, these are floor mats for a 2022 Honda Civic. That is a 1982 Honda Civic. 40-year difference in vehicle. Let's see how well these floor mats fit in there. Well, that one fits okay. Oh yeah, that one fits okay too. Alrighty, never mind the mess, but let's try out the back. I'm not sure which side's lefty-righty. I think the narrow side goes to the middle, and that makes this one lefty. Look at that. It's almost like it was made for it 40 years in advance. Alright, well that means the fourth one's gonna fit, but we'll double check. Look at that. Perfect. I mean, that really ties the room together. That's nice. Definitely a big improvement. So, question of the day, do 2022 Honda Civic floor mats work in a 1982 Honda Civic? Not only do they work, they really class up the joint.